I'm Dr. Lizzie Driscoll, I'm from the University of Birmingham.
So I am Dr. Sarah Jane Potts and I work as a research engineer at Swansea University.
I'm Tess and I've come from Manchester University and I'm a material scientist here with Discover Materials.
Hi, I'm Chris Hamlet, I'm from the University of Birmingham, coordinating the Discover Materials stand. We've got microscopes, as you can see here. We've got chocolate impact testing where people can look at the mechanical properties of chocolate.
I'm here today because material science is an incredible topic which far too few people know about, which has amazing jobs, allows you to make, create, break things to your heart's content.
We've got a great activity about porous materials developed by one of our fantastic ambassadors. And we've got the guys from Faraday talking about lithium-ion batteries, how they're made, how they work and how they recycle them.
This is a shredded electric vehicle lithium-ion battery, and we're talking how we can actually separate them into the electrodes.
We've got another activity about little Lego cars, how to dismantle them, separate them into different materials and build them back into something else, all about sustainability. And we've got stuff for teachers too.
Big Bang 2023 has been insane. It's been so busy, it's been great meeting loads of different individuals, and hopefully we're inspiring the next generation of battery scientists or material scientists.
It's been so cool to meet all the young scientists. I'm really loving it and looking forward to the next 2 days.
Oh, it's absolutely brilliant. I mean, this year it's a bit different to other years that we've got 2 different school sessions, and then yesterday we had the family session. But it's been absolutely great, and here come the crowd now.